Lovely to see you, lovely. And we're at the brand licensing show here at the XL Centre, and it's a very exciting time because the Costume Character Parade is about to start. We showed this off last year and people really enjoyed it, so I've decided to come back again this year and make it its own dedicated video. Essentially, this show has the most amount of mascots that you can imagine, and the majority of them are just about to come out and do a parade. They go outside and take a photo. So we're here at the front of the line, and we're going to be showing you some of your favourite characters. Don't forget to comment which one's your favourite characters. Some hype from the hype button would be really, really appreciated. And also don't forget to subscribe, because we do actually have quite a few mascots in the show. Here we go. It looks like we are lining up already. There's Marble, the mascot, and it looks like leading the parade will be Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig, I believe they're called. I do not watch a lot of Peppa Pig, and of course there were little Evie, and here comes Bluey, of course very popular, followed by Sir Top and Hats, and here comes George, I believe, from Peppa Pig, and here comes Peppa herself, catching up, of course, with their parents. And I see the Gruffalo. It's good to see Sir Top and Hat. That was a all-time favourite of my childhood, Thomas the Tank Engine. So any moment we'll be starting and here comes Evie. Evie is returning. Evie is going past Evie. I just realised that. Evie there and Evie there. And SpongeBob I have just seen, but of course the parade will be starting any moment. And we are ready to go. So of course we got the pig family first. Sir Top and Hat with his whistle, gets just like a train. And then we see the Gruffalo, and of course there's SpongeBob. And Abby, who's doing very well. There's Sonic. Hi Sonic. Good to see you again, buddy. Good to see you again, Superman. And Wonder Woman, Batman. Here come the Ninja Turtles. I see Dora in there. I see the Pup Parade. Oh, I see one of the Care Bears, and there is Bully from Bullseye. That is a UK classic. Here comes Shrek. It's a Shrek-tastic to see you, Shrek. Yes. Paddington Bear next. Followed by the elves in the show. Elmo. Lovely to see you, and Relaxers and Cat Noir. And here comes Peter Rabbit. Followed, Dennis the Menace is here with Nasha. It's good to see. Danger Mouse, a lot of the UK. Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean is looking a little bit more with it this year. And there's the catchphrase mascot. Oh, and Cat in the Hat. We need to do the jingle all the way. We need to wave at Cat in the Hat. And he is followed by Pingu. Oh, and Elmo. Not Elmer. And here the Teletubbies. Oh, I've seen them for the first time last year. It was like my childhood dream. And here they are again. Guys, see Dipsy, Lala, Poe. Oh, great seeing you, Poe. And here comes Plushin. Always a fixture in these things. Hello, Plushin. Great to see you, my friend. Yeah. Here we come. To see you. Number one. Oh, I like this guy. That's a clever one. And here he goes. Here's the Angry Birds. Dogman, good to see. And see, Gunnosaurus has joined. The Arsenal mascot, no other. It's Arsenal's first time here. Who knows, maybe at the end of the season Gunnosaurus will be part of another parade, hopefully a victory parade. And see the lovely ladies from Wix say hey.
That is so fun.
There we are. So, lovely to see you, love to see you. Oh, Bagpuss, lovely to see you, Bagpuss as well. Hey, yes, yeah. And here is Miffy ending up the parade. So we are going to head outside to the big group photo. They are now going to be paraded around. and they'll be going outside for group fruit photo. This is like Disneyland. They need the little thing at the end, the little rope at the end. Has everybody made it through the parade? It looks like it. I'm seeing everybody. Comes Sonic again. Here comes Super Potato, Dora the Explorer, the current Ninja Turtles. Good to see them. Always. I have seen the Ninja Turtles so many times. There's Bully. There's one of the Care Bears. There's Shrek again, having a Shrek-tastic day. There's Miraculous over there. And hey, Shrek! Shrek! Yeah! It's Elmo! 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 He's having the time of his life. As we all should be. Here's Peter Rabbit again. Hi, Peter Rabbit. Hungry Caterpillar. Dennis the Menace. This is like you were a kid in Britain in the 90s, Danger Mouse, and 80s, I realised Danger Mouse is very 80s. Mr. Bean, looking a lot healthier this year. The catchphrase guy, Elf on the Shelf. Cat in the Hat, I have nobody to high five with when he notices me. We cannot make the Jingle All the Way reference. Oh, look at Pingu. Pingu. Hello. Good to see the Grinch. Pingu, Elmer, another childhood classic there, along with the Teletubbies. These girls are having the time of their life. It was like me last year when the Teletubbies came out. Hello, Lala. Lovely to see you, Lala. Lovely to see you, Po. Oh, yes. Hello. Blushing again. We got the banana. Got the number one. Hello again, my friend. I really like this guy. This guy is going to go places, I can tell you that now. I'm saying, yeah. Hello. And we got the red guy, Gunnosaurus Rex. There's other football teams here, and Go the Arsenal is the only one who has provided their mascot for today. Always good. Gunnosaurus is notorious for up for anything. Great to see you again, Gunnosaurus. Hi there. Hello. Whoa. Hey, good to see ya. And here comes Bagpuss. And we're now going to go and join them outside. So we're going outside for a big group photo. We're going to see the... Wow, this is quite surreal to be walking down. We're now on the out day. Hey, Gunnosaurus. Maybe that's a hint at the end of the season. You know, maybe it'll be Saka, he's doing it at the end of the season when he's scored the winning goal for the Premier League. Or maybe the Champions League final.
Have a good one, mate. Yeah, see you later. Alright. We were talking earlier.
There we go. A nice group shot. There we go. We have a nice group shot now.
Sorry. I know. I figured you can do this and be like spot the elf sort of thing. Get in the way. He was like almost the second last guy to come out.